Congratulations on receiving your new Exxact Valance Workstation. To protect your system and its delicate components during shipping, we ship all workstations with Instapak foam inside. This protective foam must be removed before powering on your system to ensure proper operation and prevent potential damage. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the simple process of safely removing this foam and preparing your workstation for first use. Let's begin by gathering what you'll need. First, you'll need a Phillips No. 2 screwdriver, sometimes called a cross or star screwdriver. We'll be using this later to remove the side panel. Next, find some space on the table to use as your working area, and carefully lay the system on its side as shown here. With your system secure on its side, we can begin removing the side panel. Locate the two thumb screws on the back of the system, here and here. It's time to loosen the screws using the screwdriver. Our team tightens these to ensure all screws remain secure during shipping, so it may take a little elbow grease to loosen them. Once the screws are loose, find the handle at the rear of the panel. Lift the panel by this handle to release it, then remove it completely and set it aside in a safe place. Next, we'll remove the fan bracket. Remove the 4 screws that secure the bracket at these points. The bracket might be held firmly in place by the foam. It's safe to apply gentle pressure to remove it. With the screws removed, slide the bracket upward until the bottom is free. Then tilt the bottom outward and carefully pull the bracket down and away from the system. The bottom of the bracket will be tethered to the system by the fan cables. Be careful not to damage these cables while moving the bracket. Place the bracket beside your system. Now we can remove the packaging foam. Grip the foam firmly on both sides and slide it straight out. You may feel some resistance, but it should slide out smoothly. If the foam gets caught on anything, gently wiggle it while pulling outward, making sure not to damage any internal components or cables. Before reinstalling the fan bracket, check all cables and connectors to ensure everything is properly seated and nothing came loose during shipping. The rest is easy. Reinsert the fan bracket by sliding the top portion high into the system, then tilt the bottom inward and lower it down to align with the screw holes. Reinstall all 4 screws to secure the bracket. If your fan cable is disconnected during the bracket installation, go ahead and reconnect them. Depending on your configuration, your system may have multiple connectors. Make sure to match any A and B labels when reconnecting the fans. The cables will be clearly labeled. Now that the fan bracket is back in place, we can close up the system. Position the side panel on the rail and slide it forward until it sits flush with the case. Finally, tighten the thumb screws to secure the side panel. That's it. Just connect your system to power, attach the peripherals, and you're ready to go.